Welcome guys to Ballroom Backstage. I'm Dmitry and today we are talking about this pretty interesting piece of art. So the reason why I decided to make a feature about this book is because I figured that the dancers who are actually in that book, they do not know that the book is actually exists, which is pretty interesting. But this is only volume 1 and it has 48 dancers in it and 15 events. So volume 2 is coming. I gave a call earlier today to Marc and asked him about that, and he told me that the volume 2 is coming by the end of the year. I got it a couple of months ago, but I was waiting kind of to the right moment to talk about it, and it wasn't on my coffee table, despite that I think that is a perfect coffee table book, because I was saving it to record actually this video for a couple of months now. So you have very artistic picture, which is perfect representation of art and passion. And this is really close to me because this is how I am usually filming. I'm trying to film more emotion, very close into the couple rather than just steps overall, because as dancers, as professionals, we work on meaning of every single step. Previous year was so amazing. It was filled with lots of dancing. It was filled with lots of media, and this book for me is a perfect snapshot of that golden time of ballroom dancing in United States, and I hopefully more to come. So volume 2 is coming. By the way, so my favorite picture, Yegor Novikov, is page 93 and 94. I love the way dress is fixed right here on the picture, his emotions here, the light. That's what I mean for me, have that beauty. And now this book goes to our coffee table. I actually asked Marc to create a couple of digital wallpapers for the phone and for the desktop to have kind of different representation, so kind of more memorabilia about ballroom dancing. So guys, yeah, I just wanted to share with you this cool photo book, this amazing piece of art, and I hope you will find yourself inside of those pages. If not, I hope you will find yourself on volume 2. So this is Dmitry, Ballroom Backstage. Stay tuned.